Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a crucial component for many drone pilots out there, specifically those flying the DJI Phantom 4 series. This is a replacement remote controller designed for models like the Phantom 4, Phantom 4 Pro, and the version 2.0 versions, covering GL300L, GL300F, and GL300C variants. The specific model we're focusing on is the P4P version 2.0 GL300L, but its compatibility spans across these popular platforms. Finding reliable spare parts for professional-grade equipment like DJI drones is essential, and this controller is presented as an original accessory. This is a significant point, as using genuine parts can often ensure seamless compatibility and performance that matches the original equipment. When an original controller is damaged, having a direct, high-quality replacement readily available is incredibly convenient and can save a lot of downtime. One of the key benefits highlighted is the ease of installation. For drone pilots who rely on their equipment for work or serious hobby flying, minimizing the time spent on repairs is critical. A straightforward replacement process means getting back in the air faster. Coupled with this is the mention of fine craftsmanship. This suggests attention to detail in the manufacturing process, which is vital for a device that requires precise control and reliable communication with the drone. The controller is described as high quality and suitable for professional use. This implies it meets the demanding standards required by pilots who use their Phantom 4 series drones for aerial photography, videography, mapping, or other commercial applications. Professional use often involves frequent flights and exposure to various conditions, so durability is paramount. Speaking of durability, the product information emphasizes that this replacement controller is durable, wear-resistant, and built for a long lifetime. This is reassuring for users who put many hours on their equipment. A controller that can withstand regular handling and use without quickly showing signs of wear or developing faults is a valuable asset. It represents a solid investment in maintaining the operational readiness of a Phantom 4 drone. Essentially, this replacement remote controller serves as a direct solution for pilots facing issues with their existing GL300 series controllers on the Phantom 4 platform. Its positioning as an original accessory, combined with claims of easy installation, fine craftsmanship, high quality for professional use, and long-term durability, makes it appear as a reliable option for getting a damaged drone system back up and running smoothly. It provides the necessary interface for controlling the drone, accessing flight modes, and operating the camera, ensuring that the full capabilities of the Phantom 4 series can be utilized without compromise. For anyone needing to replace their Phantom 4 series remote, this spare part offers a promising path to restoring full functionality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.